Minutes in before the end of the first half. Rams looking to get on the board here. That's 13 left in third and 6.
Baby.
Perfection here. He's got all the under control. It's now in the CD with great heat with Jessica. We'll try to reel it all in. That's kind of what we're doing in the structure of the game.